Grids are powerful when they balance structure with visual progression. Today, how to explore storytelling grids. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert a grid frame layout and stretch it across the canvas evenly. Upload your images and drag them into each section, adjusting crops to maintain flow from one image to the next. Increase spacing slightly to create clean separation between frames. Select the background and apply a light neutral tone. Slightly adjust brightness across frames to create a sense of progression. Use position tools like Tidy Up to ensure perfect alignment. Add minimal text if needed. This storytelling grid creates a cohesive and